Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Square AC3 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vinko or Václav Obshevac, Czech puzzle designer who creates high quality wooden puzzles. Difficulty level of Square AC3 puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the tray. It is quite easy to do. As you can see, these parts are kind of loose inside, and then you have to put all of them back inside the tray in such a way that first of all you will fit all 13 parts, and second, none of them are gonna stick out like you can see right now. And yes, this puzzle comes pre-assembled, but even though you can see the shape of some parts here, it's not gonna help you to solve the puzzle, since all 13 parts are unique. They have completely different shape. I will show you some of the parts so that you can imagine what is happening inside. So one of the parts looks like this. There are like two triangles. The other part looks like this. And some other parts, they look like this. So as you can see, all parts, they're made of triangles. And that's going to be quite a challenge when you remove all parts to put them back inside the tray. If you like Square AC3 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!